Hey there, stargazers! Get ready to whip out your telescopes and telescopic lenses, because 2023 is going to be a year full of celestial delights. From meteor showers to supermoons, we're in for a real treat. So let's dive into what's on the calendar for this year's astronomical events. Lyrid meteor shower, April 15 to April 29. Hey there, stargazers! Have you ever wondered how those mesmerizing meteor showers happen? Well, hold on tight to your telescopes because I'm about to tell you. Basically, when the Earth passes through the leftover debris from comets and asteroids, we get these spectacular displays of shooting stars lighting up the sky, aka meteor showers. And guess what? One of the oldest recorded showers is coming up, the Lyrids. According to Space.com's Daisy Dobrijevic, the Lyrids originate from the comet Thatcher, which swings by the sun every 415 years. That's older than your grandpa's dusty record collection. The shower has been observed for centuries, dating back to 687 B.C.E. Imagine that! And this year, we can expect the Lyrids to reach their peak on the night of April 22nd. So, how many shooting stars can you expect to see? Well, on a clear and dark night, about 18 meteors per hour. But hold on to your binoculars because there's a chance you might catch a rare surprise of up to 100 meteors in an hour. If you want to catch the best views, NASA recommends finding a dark area between moonset and sunrise. And once you're there, lie flat on your back with your feet facing east and gaze up at the sky. It's like watching a fireworks show in slow motion. Eta Aquarid meteors, April 15th to May 27th. These fast and fiery meteors are known for leaving long and glowing trails that will leave you mesmerized. According to NASA, Eta Aquarid meteors can travel at a mind-boggling 148,000 miles per hour into Earth's atmosphere. That's faster than Usain Bolt in his prime. So where can you spot these meteoric marvels? Their radiant point is the constellation Aquarius, and they come from none other than the famous Halley's Comet. You know, the one that completes an orbit around the Sun once every 76 years and produces the originate meteor shower in October. The last time Halley was seen by casual observers was way back in 1986, and it's scheduled to make another appearance in 2061. So get ready to catch a glimpse of the comet's fiery debris during the Eta Aquarid's meteor shower, peaking on the night of May 5th to May 6th. But wait, there's a catch. Unfortunately, a full moon is expected to appear on May 5th, 2023, but don't lose hope just yet. If you're in the southern hemisphere, you're in for a treat, because that's the best place to catch the show. However, if you're north of the equator, don't worry because you can still see about 10 to 30 meteors per hour in good conditions. So set your alarm clocks for the pre-dawn hours around the peak and get ready to witness the fiery dance of the Eta Aquarid's meteor shower. Perseid meteor shower, July 14th to September 1st. This celestial spectacle is not to be missed, with bright and frequent meteors leaving along tails that will light up the sky at rates of about 50 to 100 per hour. The Perseids happen when our planet passes through debris left behind by the comet Swift-Tuttle, and it peaks as we move through the densest portion. Last year's Perseids coincided with a full moon, which made it a bit difficult to see some shooting stars. But this year, things are looking up. The peak of this event falls on August 11th and 12th, just 2 days before the new moon. But don't let the moon's brightness outshine the meteor shower. For optimal viewing, Royal Museum's Greenwich suggests finding a spot with minimal light pollution and letting your eyes adjust for 15 minutes. So you might want to take a break from checking your phone and let your eyes adjust to the dark. Trust us, it'll be worth it. A super blue moon, August 31st. Hey skygazers, get ready for a lunar event that's out of this world. On the night of August 31st, the full moon will appear slightly larger and brighter than usual, making it a supermoon. And guess what? This year we're in for a treat as 4 supermoons will appear in a row on July 3rd, August 1st, August 31st, and September 29th. Talk about a lunar extravaganza. But wait, there's more, because in August you'll see 2 full moons. The second one is considered a blue moon. No, it's not actually blue in color, but it's a rare phenomenon that happens every 2.5 years. The last one occurred in August 2021, and we're lucky to witness it again this year. So mark your calendars and don't miss out on these amazing lunar events. Orionids, September 26th to November 2022. The Orionids might not be as flashy as the Perseids or Geminids, but there's still a sight to behold. From a dark location, you can expect to see about 10 to 20 meteors per hour at the shower's peak, with falls around the morning of October 22nd, according to Earth Sky's Deborah Bird. These meteors come from the famous Halley's Comet, named after the astronomer who predicted its return in 1758, 16 years after his death. This year, we're in luck as the moon will set by midnight on the peak night, meaning less interference and better viewing conditions. Annular solar eclipse, October 14. In mid-October, there's a celestial event that's sure to light up the southwestern US with the ring of fire. We're talking about an annular solar eclipse, people. Here's the lowdown. The moon will pass between Earth and the sun, but won't completely cover the sun, creating a stunning, glowing ring of light. This type of eclipse can last up to 12.5 minutes. But this year, the maximum is around 5 minutes in the US. If you're in the lucky states along the path of the eclipse, you'll witness this breathtaking phenomenon starting from Oregon at 9:13 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Just remember, if you're planning to view the eclipse, be sure to use proper eye protection to avoid any damage. Even if you're not in the direct path of the Ring of Fire, you may still be able to catch a partial eclipse, but that all depends on the weather. Partial lunar eclipse, October 28th. While last year we were treated to 2 total lunar eclipses, this year we'll get to see a penumbral lunar eclipse. What's that, you ask? Well, it's a more subtle type of eclipse that occurs when the Earth's fainter outer shadow, called the penumbra, is cast on the moon. If you are in the US and want to catch a glimpse of this phenomenon, you'll have to be on the East Coast. If you're a patient sky watcher, you might be able to see the Earth's faint penumbra on the moon's surface after it rises in your area. The penumbral eclipse will end at 6:26 p.m. Eastern. One of the coolest things about a lunar eclipse is that you don't need any special equipment to view it. All you have to do is find a good spot to watch the moon and let the Earth do its thing. Geminid meteor shower, November 19th to December 24th. This meteor shower is a real crowd pleaser and a great way to end the year with a bang. And when we say bang, we mean it. These meteors travel at an incredible speed of 78,000 miles per hour, which is more than 40 times faster than a speeding bullet. NASA isn't kidding when they say this shower is known for its speedy meteors.